White Miso Zoni is a traditional Kyoto-style New Year's mochi soup. This version uses a generous amount of sweet white miso, giving it a thick and creamy and rich texture. All the ingredients are in round shape that symbolizes the harmony and the good fortune in the coming year. And I'm also sharing a unique twist from Nara, where I live, that you might find surprising. Let's get started. First, we'll start with a little prep the day before. Soak 2 pieces of kombu kelp in water overnight in the fridge. This will be the base of our broth. Scrub the taro root thoroughly to remove any dirt and let them dry to handle them easily. In the next day, let's prepare the vegetables. For the daikon radish, slice it into the 1/4 inch thickness. And cut out the center with a small cookie cutter to create beautiful circles. And don't throw away the leftover pieces. You can save them for another dish. If you don't have the cutter, just cut into quarters. Slice the carrot into the same thickness. This will give a dish clean and festive appearance. The carrot we'll be using today is called Kintoki carrot, a special variety available during this holiday season. Red is a celebratory color in Japanese culture, which is why we are using these instead of the usual orange carrot. However, if you cannot find them, regular carrot will work just as well. For color and aroma, prepare some mitusuba leaves. If you have yuzu, shave it thinly to use as a fragrant topping. Peel the taro thickly and cut into 1/2 inch slices. Taro can be a bit slippery, so be careful when you peel. Releasing water to remove any excess starch. Now let's start cooking. Boil the taro root in a large pot of water for about 10 minutes. Be sure to start cooking in water to cook evenly. And be careful, it gets slippery, so watch that it doesn't boil over. Once the taro is soft, add the daikon radish and carrots and let them cook for another couple of minutes until tender. While the vegetables are simmering, let's make the soup. Slowly heat the kombu kelp you soaked overnight and let them boil as slow as you can to bring out all the best flavor from the kombu. It takes about 15 minutes to come to a barely simmer. Once the water is just about to boil, remove the kombu kelp. Now dissolve the white miso. Use a whisk to mix it thoroughly so there is no lumps. Unlike regular miso soup, white miso should be boiling. It enhances the natural sweetness. It looks like a lot of miso, but it's not really salty. But before adding your miso, taste it and adjust the amount. So let it simmer gently for the perfect flavor. Add a tablespoon of mirin to enhance the natural sweetness. For the mochi, boil them separately in another pot. This will prevent them from sticking to the other ingredients. Keep your eye on them because overcooking will make them melt in the water, so it takes about 5 minutes to cook through. You can microwave the mochi instead of boiling. In that case, it takes 1 minute and 30 seconds at 600 watt. Now it's time to assemble. Drain the taro root and daikon and carrot and press them in the O1 soup bowl. Do not put mochi on the bottom of the O1 soup bowl because it sticks to the bottom and not easy to take out. pour over the creamy white miso soup over the top and finish with mitsuba leaves and yuzu peel. Cover immediately with a lid to trap the fragrant aroma. When you lift the lid, the citrusy yuzu aroma is absolutely gorgeous. The aroma of yuzu is the smell of the new year. The soup is thick, sweet, and comforting. The slightly sticky texture of the taro root pairs beautifully with the creamy miso, while the daikon and carrots provides a crispy contrast. The red and white colors symbolizes the celebration and good luck in Japan, making this dish perfect for the New Year celebration. And here's a fun part from the Nara, where I live. In Nara, it's common to serve Kinako on the side. You take out mochi and sprinkle with Kinako and enjoy it. Even many Japanese people don't know about this way of eating it, but it's just delicious. It's really common in Nara. They serve Zōni like this even for a school lunch. I hope you will try making this White Miso Zoni and maybe even incorporate this special Nara style twist. It's a beautiful way to celebrate the new year with family and friends. And I want to thank you for your amazing support. I have reached 300,000 subscribers at the end of this beautiful 2024. Thank you so much, and I will bring you even more delicious and fun recipes in 2025. Wishing you all a wonderful new year filled with happiness and delicious food. See you in the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!